Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I've got a really quick one for you today. I'm going to explain to you how the Ford starter relay works, so stay tuned. I just wanted to take a second and explain how the starter relay works and how you wire it up. It's really pretty simple once you really just look at the basics of it. The number one thing is that you can't just hold this thing in your hand with it wired up and have it work. The body has to be grounded. So it needs to be, this bracket right here provides the ground for the coil inside of this. So it has to be screwed to the metal part of the body. Your battery positive is going to come in on this lug right here. Your starter is going to hook up to this lug over here. How it actually works is when you provide 12 volts to this lug right here through the starter switch, with this being grounded and this being positive 12 volts with the switch, it excites a coil inside of this thing and it draws up. The terminals inside are basically sitting like this. Now, when you give this 12 volts, it excites this coil, draws it down, and it connects. It connects these two terminals together. So that's how you get power going through. Now for these two little small lugs here, I just explained this one is to excite the coil so you can start the vehicle. And usually it'll have a little S right here for start. This other one over here will have an I for ignition. What this does is this sends a full 12 volt signal to your ignition coil. Now, a lot of ignition coils go through what's called a ballast resistor, and it drops them down to say like 9 volts, keeps them from burning up. When you're starting a vehicle, especially like when it's cold or whatever, that coil needs a nice good fat hot spark to get the engine going. So what this will do is, and I'll put up a diagram here somewhere, but what it's going to do is it's going to take a full 12 volts and send it to that coil. And once you release the key, then this no longer has 12 volts. Your coil gets its regular 9 volts through its ballast resistor, and everything's happy. And that's how you get the vehicle started. The wire that we use on this truck is red with a blue tracer. So once I get ready to finalize all my wiring, I will cut this off, put a ring terminal on it, and it will connect to that right there. Then the battery will come in over here, starter hooks up over there, and so on. So that's all I got for today, guys. So I appreciate you watching, and we'll see you next time.